Hi everyone again. Today's video is about one day in the life of a help desk and laboratory manager. What I'd like to show you, for example. I want to show you how it was before and what I've done and what I'm busy like right now with what. Here, for example, these shelves we see. Like this shelf is really high. It's quite difficult to put on this place switches or routers, and you can't see what's going on over there. He is like okay, but also not enough space maybe on this place. One step higher is gonna be much better. Here, this one in another level, this one on one level. It was all of shelves, 3 rows was like this. I deleted one also shelf from this place, from all of them, and now I am busy with like these shelves. I changed this place, switched, and also I wanna put this the highest shelf one step like lower here. I've done this on this row, for example. Now it's much easier to like see and operate with the equipment. For me, for example, I am 1 meter 82 centimeters, and this one is quite high for me. Like I see on this way, the shelf. Okay, next. What is the problem here? For example, you can see all of this stuff, all of these electricity sockets. Here, on every row, we have 2 of them from both sides, and you can see like all of this spaghetti management. No one knows to which like device it belongs. We have here, for example, 6 of these power cables. From this side, we have 3, but all devices, which we have only 8, 4 monitors and 4 PCs. Which one to which one goes, no one knows. Then, another problem. Like not problem, but it works, but I don't like this management. Here, for example, we have this also sockets. We can turn on and off from this side, from this socket, all of this equipment. It's like okay, but it's under table. Like how you can, every time you have to go under table to turn off or on all this stuff. This one I changed also. Now I also have to replace a bit lower, and this shelf lower, and this as well. Then from another side, another row, we have like the same. I'm busy with this row right now. I'm gonna unplug all of these cables and like make it a bit better. Here, for example, we also have under table without any switches. This one you can see like this. And also, not a problem, but at the same time, all of screens, all of these monitors, different. All of them are different. Like this one, Acer, this one, Dell, also Dell and Dell, but all of these 3 Dell is different. Here, the same story. Quite old monitors. It's like maybe from 2006 or 8. But all of them, like from that age. And also what I've done already, this row, for example, you can see it. Here, right now, we have these power sockets, and to these power sockets connects only this row, but exactly only this PC and this monitor from right side. On the other hand, on the other side, I have also this big sockets, and here we have connection from this side, left side, and one connects to this one. We can turn off all of this range of sockets or just only this higher 5. From this side, you can see also what I've done, a bit cable management, and all of them belongs to each side. And also what we have this main for only one socket from socket wall, and we have this one right now, which has connection to this one. And the lowest two, that's two that sockets. And here also I connected to this socket 1, 2, 3. It's this PC with monitor and another monitor or PC, I don't remember. I think it's PC. From this side, also from this, we can turn off all of this row. It's gonna be like this. Also, I installed these another monitors, not maybe the best, not the newest one for all of them, but much better, newer, and also bigger monitors. I'm gonna use all of them. I found them on our another room, and for students it's definitely better with bigger size, like 22 inches. And from this side, I don't know even how much is it, less than 19, I think, something like 17, maybe 16 inches. This one bigger, higher, like square. But here you can see how it will look like all of them, all of flops. Here you can see this which I replaced, and here you can see which I'm gonna install, which I'm gonna use. Okay, this is like not one day, but maybe 2 or 3 days. Yesterday I started to do this. Also, I cleaned all of this PC inside because it was also quite dusty, not dirty, but dusty. And yeah, that's help desk job.